Nothing beats cooking outdoors when the sun's out and the fire's crackling. Today, we're showing you 5 simple but insanely delicious summer camping recipes that'll upgrade any cookout or camping trip. Whether you're grilling lakeside or cooking over a fire pit, these are real-deal, crowd-pleasing meals you can master fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Start with a camping classic, foil packs. These are easy, mess-free, and full of flavor. Cube your steak and toss with chopped veggies, olive oil, and seasoning. Wrap it tight in double-layered heavy-duty foil. You want a good seal so nothing leaks into the fire. Next up, the bratwurst upgrade. Simmer the brats in a pan with beer and onions for about 10 minutes to pre-cook and infuse flavor. Then finish them on the grill for that snap and char. This one's a sleeper hit. Potato bombs are whole baked potatoes stuffed with flavor. Slice each potato 3/4 of the way through, add bacon and cheese between slices, then wrap in foil with a pat of butter on top. For reliable flavor, nothing beats BBQ chicken thighs. They're juicier and more forgiving than breasts. Season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Grill skin side down first on medium heat. And of course, we're ending with dessert. Banana boats are a gooey twist on s'mores. Slice each banana down the center, don't cut through the bottom, and stuff with chocolate chips, marshmallows, and crushed grams. There you have it, 5 must-try summer cookout recipes that are easy to make but loaded with flavor. Whether you're cooking for 2 or a whole campsite crew, these dishes deliver. Like what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and join us here at Fred's No Frills videos for more simple, awesome tips for the outdoors, cooking, and beyond.